The MaxRenard Starry Night 1,000-piece puzzle offers an engaging and artistic jigsaw experience centered around one of Vincent van Gogh's most famous masterpieces, the Starry Night. This puzzle invites puzzlers to immerse themselves in the intricate swirls and vibrant colors of the painting, bringing the artwork to life piece by piece. With 1,000 pieces, it strikes a balance between challenge and accessibility, making it suitable for adults and experienced puzzlers seeking a rewarding project. The puzzle measures approximately 68 by 49 centimeters when completed, providing a substantial visual display that captures the detail and emotion of the original painting. The pieces are crafted from high-quality recycled cardboard that is sturdy and resistant to bending, ensuring durability throughout the assembly process. A special surface film treatment preserves the vividness of the colors over time, preventing fading even after long storage periods. This attention to material quality enhances both the tactile and visual experience, making the puzzle enjoyable to handle and admire. One of the standout features of this puzzle is the matte finish on the pieces, which reduces glare and makes it easier to work on under various lighting conditions. This matte texture is preferred by many users over glossy finishes, especially for artwork puzzles, as it maintains the integrity of the image without distracting reflections. The pieces fit together securely, providing satisfying clicks that reassure the puzzler of correct placement. This precise fit also aids in creating a stable finished product that can be displayed or framed. The puzzle includes a full-color poster of the Starry Night, which serves as a helpful reference during assembly. Additionally, the back of the puzzle piece is color-coded into 6 distinct blocks. This innovative design element assists in sorting and organizing pieces, which can significantly reduce the time spent searching for specific shapes or colors. It also makes the puzzle more approachable for new puzzlers or seniors, offering a guided way to tackle what might otherwise seem daunting. Users have noted that while the 1,000-piece count provides a satisfying challenge, some found the puzzle somewhat easier than expected due to the color coding and the distinct sections on the back of the pieces. For those seeking a more intense challenge, a higher piece count might be preferable. But for many, this puzzle offers a perfect blend of difficulty and enjoyment. The puzzle encourages a meditative and focused state, allowing puzzlers to unwind and engage their creativity simultaneously. The MaxRenard Starry Night puzzle is also praised for its role as a thoughtful gift. Its artistic theme and quality construction make it an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. It appeals to art lovers, puzzle enthusiasts, and those looking for a relaxing yet stimulating pastime. The timeless nature of Van Gogh's artwork ensures that the puzzle remains a cherished item long after completion. Despite the many positives, some users have reported issues with missing pieces, which can be frustrating and impact the ability to complete and display the puzzle. However, the seller has demonstrated responsive customer service by replacing puzzles with missing parts upon contact. This policy helps mitigate the occasional manufacturing oversight and reassures buyers of support if problems arise. Overall, the MaxRenard Starry Night 1,000-piece puzzle stands out for its quality materials, thoughtful design features like the color-coded backs, and the immersive experience it provides. It combines the joy of puzzling with the appreciation of fine art, making it a rewarding project for individuals and families alike. Whether used as a relaxing solo activity or a shared creative endeavor, this puzzle delivers a satisfying and visually stunning result. For those interested in exploring more from this brand, the positive experience with this puzzle often leads to seeking other artistic puzzles offered by MaxRenard. If you own this puzzle or have tried it, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions and enhance the community of puzzle enthusiasts. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers in finding this beautiful puzzle.